Tired of clicking through endless Word tabs to find that one command? You know the feeling. You are in the middle of something important, and you have to stop and hunt through the Home tab, then the Insert tab, then the Layout tab, just to find the tool you use every single day. It is a huge waste of time. But here is the good news. You can create your own custom ribbon tab in under a minute. A single spot with all your favorite tools, exactly where you want them. So here is the plan. I am going to walk you through the whole process. We will add a brand new tab, give it a name, and then drag all your most used commands into it. Let us get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is look up at the very top left corner of your Word window. Click on the File tab. That will take you to the Backstage view, which is basically the control center for your document. From that File menu, you need to scroll down a little bit. Almost at the bottom of the list on the left-hand side, you will see an option that says Options. Go ahead and click on that. Now a new window pops up called Word Options. On the left-hand side of this window, there is a list of categories. You want to click on the one that says Customize Ribbon. This is where all the magic happens. And here is the really important part. On the right side of that window, you will see a list of all the main tabs in Word. Below that list, there is a button that says New Tab. Click that. Instantly, a brand new tab will appear in the list. It will probably be called New Tab, and it will have a group inside it called New Group. So now we need to make this our own. Right-click on the words New Tab and choose Rename. Type in whatever name makes sense for you. Maybe it is My Tools or Quick Stuff or even just the name of your project. Once you have named the tab, you will also want to rename the group inside it. Right-click on that new group, choose Rename, and give it a name too. You can add more groups later if you need to, but one is a great place to start. Now for the fun part. On the left side of the Word Options window, there is a long list of every single command available in Word. It might look a little overwhelming at first, but do not worry. You can click the drop-down at the top of that list to filter by commands that you use all the time. Once you find a command you want, just click on it to select it, and then click the Add button in the middle. It will jump over to your custom group on the right. You can do this for as many commands as you like. And thanks to the step-by-step process we are using here, you get to see exactly how this works in real time. If you want to put your commands in a specific order, it is super easy. On the right side, click on a command, and then use the little up and down arrows to move it wherever you want. Put your most used tool at the top for quick access. Of course, if you added something by mistake, just click on it on the right side and click the Remove button. It disappears instantly, and you can try again. Once everything looks perfect, click the OK button at the bottom of the Word Options window. Your ribbon will instantly update. Go ahead and click on your brand new custom tab and see all your tools sitting there waiting for you. No more hunting. No more clicking through a maze of tabs. Just the commands you use right where you need them. And that is how you take control of your workspace.